Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this 1993 Ford Bronco. OBS body style, old body style. This truck's been renovated, lifted. It's a rust-free example. It's offered here at AutoWorld of Conway, where it spent South Carolina most of its life. You can probably already tell. It's a pretty high level truck here. So XLT trim level. And you can probably already pick up new seats, carpet, dash. So if you've been looking for one of these, I think you'll find this at the top of your list. Acquired locally here, Pawleys Island, South Carolina. You can probably already, again, see. Nice clean truck. And 35-inch BFG all-terrain TAs on 20-inch wheels. Hinges have been done. Again, this paint is stellar. Already got the back window down. We'll put that up here in just a second. Highly sought after, especially in this condition. And we see a lot of examples of these that people offer to us. However, the condition is poor. Mark there in the pad, the rear bumper pad. This does have trailer brakes, brake controller, excuse me. Top is repainted at the same time as the vehicle. See an LED third brake light there. All the headlights, taillights, they have been replaced. New exhaust. Again, rust-free example. Caught in the rain with this last night on the way home. It comes with new door handles. These have not been installed. Like an upper dash pad cover there. Additional books and the two front center caps for the wheels. There's two boxes there, the console for The new door handles, exterior door handles. Windows are tinted, as is the windshield. There's a light smoke. Bumper appears to be original. Should wipe that off a little bit better. Again, replacement grille and aftermarket clear lenses for the headlights and turn signals. These tires, lock to lock, do catch the corner of this bumper. Here's a 5.8 or 351. A lot of new components. MSD distributor. Guess we'll fire it up here. See, the odometer is difficult to read. So over 100,000. Can't quite make out all the digits. Sold as exempt, South Carolina exempt on the miles. I think based on the Carfax, I think it has 140 so thousand miles. Air conditioning. Radio, air conditioning off, heat, horn, and you see this, the window from the dash. I need to run it all the way down. There you go. Let's go for a ride. Ford Bronco XLT here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.